Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the law of gender. Law of gender, if you are working around the personal goals or professional goals, and if you're not seeing the result, if you're not experiencing whatever you're trying to attract as your personal goals, professional goals, and there is a gestation period of time we call a law of a gender. Any creation, any thought we create, there is it's a process. It's like there is a muscle and sorry, there is a feminine energy, there is a sorry, I cannot say that, masculine energy, sorry. There is a female energy, there is a male energy in the universe world, and that thought is a creation. Any thought we are thinking and we are using the energy, and and then the creation is always going to be there because we have used the thought and energy, and whatever you have thought about it, and the results always going to be there. So that feminine and male energy, that is the creation of in the universe world. Everything is true, male and female, and the male and female energy, and there is a law of gender. Why I'm talking about this? So whatever the creation we are doing by through thought, using the energy, and then you might be saying, "Oh, I'm not seeing the results." There is no results, but there is a gestation period of time. There is a time period of to for waiting for to to become that creation. It takes there is a period of time, and but we cannot tell the period of time. Is every creation is according to how we think and using the energy, and just like plants, they have a gestation period of time. There is a period of time to plant them, and then we have to wait for the plant to grow, and then we have to wait for the fruit to come. The fruit means whatever the plant we have planted, and then we have to have the wait for the gestation period of time to grow that plant and to where the fruit, whatever the fruit or plant you have planted. And so what I'm trying to say here, if you are working around the business or personal goals, whatever the goals you have, and don't get disappointed and because you're not seeing any results, and the creation is working all the time, just like after day, night comes after night, day comes. It's a universal laws, they are working all the time. And don't sometimes we can start to think it's not working for me, and don't ever think like that, because where our focus is, and that's what it grows. And never think uh, that hasn't grown, and that seed definitely going to grow wherever you have put the focus you means wherever you have given more energy as your thought, as your energy. So that seed definitely going to grow, but don't get disappointed. And there is a gestation period of time, there is a waiting time is all according to your thoughts and energy and where your focus is, and this is the time, this is the reason it's taking a time for the gestation period of time. So the creation is always working. This is the reason I'm saying the law of gender is in the universe world. There's a feminine energy, and there is a muscular energy in the universe world, and these both energies are working all the time. And and then the creation is always there. So never think in your mind, even bring the thought in your mind, the creation is not working, and the results always going to be there according to the thought and the energy and the focus we have created, and the creation is always going to be there. Let me read a one quote from Wallace. He talks about, just one second, ma'am. Yeah. Let me find out. I'll just okay. Sorry about that. I think I just read uh, the quote, one of the quote from the Wallace D. Wattles. I just read it. Just one second, let me share with you. Okay. The the only thing that can grow is the thing you give energy to. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Ralph Waldo Emerson. So the only thing that can grow is that thing you give energy to. So the things you are giving the energy to, and that's the only things are going to grow. And it's a creation, it's a feminine energy, masculine energy. They're working all the time, and there's no such a thing. There's not going to be the results. The results always going to be according to our thoughts, the energy we have used, and the focus we have put it on, and according to the emotions and feelings, the results always going to be there. Just like plants, they are growing all the time, and same with the thoughts we are thinking, and it's a creation. So we are creating all the time. So law of gestation and law of gender is working all the time. That's what I'm trying to say, and the creation is working all the time. So the the Ralph Waldo Emerson, he's talking about wherever we are putting the all the energy, and that's what is gonna grow. So you have to put your focus and your energy and your thoughts on what you want. So don't ever you start to think it's not going to work or it's not working. It's all got to do where our focus we have been using it. That's what the gestation period of time. We can never tell how long it's uh, uh, going to take the results to come. The results always going to be there. Always. Don't even doubt about it, because this is the reason we have to know the laws, and the day after day, night comes after night, day comes. It's an automatic process. It's happening all the time. Whether we believe it or we don't believe it, it's happening all the time. So same with your thoughts, your energy, your focus. Where is your focus is working all the time. So what are you thinking and what are you planting as your goals? And that's what is going to grow. So whatever is growing at the moment and whatever you're experiencing, that's where your focus is. To change your focus, to change your circumstances, you have to only put the focus on what you want. And that's all. Your energy, your focus, your emotions, and you have to put them what you want. So law of a gender is working all the time. Muscular energy and the feminine energy. There's two energy in the universe world, and they are working all the time. And when they become like a muscular and feminine energy, and they're always going to create something. So this is what I want to say. So So that's what you have to focus on, and whatever you are trying to work on. So law of gender and is working all the time, and create only what you want. So only give the energy what you want to experience and what goals you want to manifest. So only focus on what you want. So law of gender is working all the time. It is a law, and the law never change. They always stays the same. All we have to know, knowing these laws and to apply them according to. So this is the reason you have to know the laws. So this is the reason I'm sharing these laws, because with my experience, what I have learned, and I'm applying them every single day, and you have to be a reminder every single day. And sometimes we can forget, and then we can focus on the negative, we can focus on the environment, we can focus on whatever is going around, and the focus is very easy to disturb. So we have to work on the focus all the time. We have to keep the focus on the solid, on what we want as our goals. Don't let your focus disturbed, and let wander around. Only focus on your goals, focus on what you want. Okay, so the creation is working all the time. That's what I wanted to share with you. And don't ever think it's not working because you're not seeing the result according to. That means it's to do with your focus and your thoughts. So where's your focus goes, that's what the creation goes. Okay, thank you for watching the YouTube. Please, I would like to see your comments about law of gender, and what do you think um, is working for you, or if it's not working for you, today you are aware of its gestation period of time. And if you're seeing the results you don't want, you have to focus on what you want, and keep your focus all the time, not just let it wander any minute. Thank you for watching the YouTube. Please, if you like the YouTube, give thumbs up. And the law of gender is working all the time, just like after day, after night comes, after night day comes. It's automatic process. It's a beyond human control. It's not in a human's control. It's automatic process. And these laws are working automatically. And all we have to know, aware of them and apply them and use them around our personal goals and professional goals. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. And please leave the thumbs up if you like the YouTube, and leave your comments. Your comments is going to, of course, help me to improve. And leave your comments. What do you think about the law of gender? Thank you. Bye.